Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a face mask like you wear in Halloween. Oopsies. Okay. I accidentally threw it. Marker. First draw a rainbow. Now a curve like this. Another one like this. Next, draw a curve. You connect. Next, draw a line here. Next, another one inside. Another one here. There. These are its ears. Now a circle. Now a cover. Now a circle on the other side. And a cover. We're almost done, but we have to draw its face and its string. Actually, this is his nose. Draw almost a curve, like a heart. Don't draw the bottom pointy. Now here, draw a line like that. Another line like that. Now dots. Now draw a curve like this. Now another curve like this. Now here draw a line like this. And another line like over it. Now draw a string right there. And the over one. And connect. Now here, draw a line and something like that. And then like this. Now a line in there. Now a line here. Now another line like this. We're done, okay? I meant like this. That. Okay, now let's color. Mommy, I know. I remember when I was in pre-K and on Valentine's I made a bunny. And I colored her ears inside pink. And I gave it to my mommy. Do you know what bunnies eat? They eat carrots. Do you like carrots? Let me tell you a joke. I love carrots, so I'm a bunny. Because bunnies love carrots. Do you have a pet bunny? My friend in Billings has a pet bunny. I forgot his or her name. I need to think about the face. Halloween is coming up. It's in next month, I think. So I'm going to take the max out and I can use it for my Halloween costume, and I'll make a bunny. I got the max, then I'll make the thing you wear on your body. I'm done. Oops, not done. I need to color the other yellow. Okay, I'm done. Now I'll wait for my dad. Should I tell you another joke? Do you eat nuts? For fake, I eat nuts. I'm a squirrel. I'm joking like my brother. I have an uncle and another uncle and my brother, and we joke. And we say, "You're Joker, brother." He says, "I'm Joker too." We're done. So for Halloween, we'll save this picture and we'll make a nut before Halloween. Now, bye. Oh, do you want to do the same thing? You can make another picture. Bye.